Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into Preserves, a fascinating new data language. It's designed to be a powerful alternative to formats like JSON and XML, offering a syntax-neutral data model with multiple serialization options. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for data. Exciting, right?
Absolutely. I'm already intrigued. So what makes Preserves so special? Is it just another data format, or is there something truly innovative here?
That's the million-dollar question. The core innovation lies in its syntax-neutral data models. This means you can easily convert between different Preserve syntaxes, textual, binary, even a hybrid like syrup, without losing any information. It's like having a universal translator for your data.
Wow, that's impressive. So no more messy conversions between JSON and XML? No data loss during the process?
Precisely. The specification clearly defines the semantics and data model, ensuring perfect fidelity across all syntaxes. They've even got a canonical form for the binary syntax, which is a huge plus for interoperability. It's all about consistency and efficiency.
I see. But why would someone choose Preserves over established formats like JSON, which are already widely used and well understood?
That's a great point, and they actually address that on their website. They highlight Preserve's advantages in terms of schema validation and querying capabilities. Fine. Preserve Schema and Preserve's Path provide powerful tools for managing and manipulating data, something JSON lacks inherently. It's a more robust and feature-rich system.
Okay, I'm following. So it's not just about the serialization formats, it's about the whole ecosystem around data management. Are there many implementations available?
Oh yes, they have implementations in a wide range of languages. Python, Rust, JavaScript, even Nim and Racket. It's quite impressive. The community seems active too, with ongoing development and a detailed change history.
That's reassuring. It suggests a vibrant community and a commitment to long-term support. What about tooling? Is there anything to help developers get started?
Absolutely. They have a Preserves tool for syntax translation and pretty printing, plus tools for working with Preserve Schema. There's even a tutorial and a handy cheat sheet to help you get up to speed quickly. They've thought of everything.
This sounds incredibly promising. It seems like Preserves offers a compelling alternative to existing data formats, especially for projects requiring robust schema validation and efficient data manipulation.
Exactly. It's a well-thought-out system with a clear vision and a strong community backing it. While it might not replace JSON entirely, it certainly carves out a niche for itself in projects demanding more advanced features. It's definitely worth keeping an eye on.
I agree. Thanks for this insightful overview. It's clear that Preserves is a project worth exploring further.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion on Preserves as exciting as we did. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.